What's up, guys? Today is Monday, and this is Joe's AllStar Tools Monday. He's out here. Let's go take a look, see what he's got.
Hey guys, how y'all doing today? I hope you're doing great. I just ran into a guy named Andrew at a shop right in my area. Didn't know their shop existed. I must be sheltered or something, but I pulled in and he's starting to tell the guys, yeah, I just seen this guy on these shows, and now he's here. So the rest will become history. Thank you, Andrew. A while ago, one of my, I'll say young kids, I'll call him a kid today because we're going to call him a man afterwards, started life working in a diesel shop, and good customer, Matthew Driscoll in Tupelo. So we got a good thing going, him, the rest of the shop. One day he says, Joe, he says, I'm going to have you hold on my payments for a little bit. I go, okay, what's up? He says, well, I joined the Army. I'm going to go to boot camp for a bit. He says, I'm not sure where my money's going to be, whatever. I says, don't worry about it. He says, you're a good man. Everything will work out. Sure enough, a few months later, he calls me. He says, hey, you can do this, and start doing this. And it was all taken care of. He comes back. He's working for a little bit before he gets his actual real training, before he gets shipped overseas. Well, he just came back a couple months ago, but he just started working, getting, how men are nowadays, men. You got to get kind of settled in and do all those things, but man, I shook his, all of a sudden I'm walking in, I'm talking to somebody, it's like, man, I got Matthew, how are you? And he's like, Joe, how are you? And man, you could tell the difference. A boy walking into the Army to a man coming out. I mean, I shook his arm, grabbed his shoulders, like, holy crap, this guy's a solid every which way. Looking at some of the Army tats on him. Didn't ask about him, but I'm sure we'll have plenty of time to talk later. So, Matthew, I'm glad you came back safe. Glad you brought your brothers back safe. And Pat, I'm going to get back to you on what we talked about earlier. And we'll get a couple tools here. I have, first, for Donald Hollins, we got the Gearwrench, I call it a swivel ratchet, but you guys call it what?
Swivel ratchet? Swivel head ratchet?
Dual head, something, yeah. But I got it here. I got a little better price. We're at maybe 65 bucks.
65.
So I'll be able to ship for you tomorrow. Everybody else here's the part number.
All right.
I grabbed a couple of them right away. Just because Donald asked for it, I ordered more than one. That'll go. Astro carbide bits.
Okay.
I go with your standard 1/4 inch, any of your air tools, 8-piece set. I think it's 85 bucks.
85?
85 bucks.
Okay.
They have a 1-year warranty on them. That a lot of places don't do. Some places charge a whole lot more to give you a lifetime warranty.
Is that a 1 year for Wally too, or just 6 months on Wally?
10 minutes?
You see how the battery did.
It's 10 minutes too long.
No, 10 minutes is not too long.
You can warranty it till he leaves the truck with it. That's your safe bet right there.
No, we're good. 1 year, and actually that goes directly through Astro with your receipt.
Okay.
So yeah, full warranty for Wally.
They don't know me.
they will. Gearwrench, 24 inch, here's per number.
Okay.
It's half inch locking. 65 bucks.
65 bucks.
So Wally asked me if we have the 1/2 inch to 3/8 locking. I'm going to find out about that. And I'm sure they do, but I don't know for sure.
That's the one I like.
We'll work on that one next. So yeah, if you're in my area and I'm not stopping by, give me a call. Let me know.
Tell everybody your phone number.
I will ship to you. Number 731-412 7295.
7295. All right, guys, that's what we got today. Bill said we got to go back to work because he's done got cool standing here in the air, and that just ain't gonna work. Like always, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button, because why, Wally?
Totally free.
What does it cost them, Joe?
Nothing. Totally free.
And it's got a lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty. Totally, absolutely free.
You gotta go to YouTube on that one, though.
That's it. Send it to YouTube. You got to keep your receipt.
And Mr. Bill? Mr. Bill?
Yeah,
How much is it?
$3,000.
Tell him to get back to work, Bill.
Get back to work.
Too hot for you, Wally?
Too hot for me.
I'm going to show y'all Wally's battery. He's had this thing, he bought it yesterday. And look at
3
it
o'clock
already.
in the evening.
3 o'clock yesterday evening. And this
Some
is
guys just have no respect.
this is what it looks like.
You're on the danger field.
It ain't even 24 hours later.
And he still gets a warranty.
Oh, heck yeah. That's great news for me.
Too rough on it, Wally.